Ever walked into a room, tried to talk to someone, and suddenly forgot how to human? Yeah, same. But what if I told you there's a cheat code to talking to literally anyone without sounding like a confused robot from 1998? Hey there. Welcome back to Fast Track Reads, the only place where you level up your social game faster than your Wi-Fi disconnects on Zoom. Today, we're diving into How to Talk to Anyone by Leil Lowndes, a book that gives you 92 sneaky little hacks to instantly become more likable, charismatic, and socially bulletproof. Let's break down the coolest tips. Tip 1. The flooding smile. Don't just throw a smile at someone like you're tossing out free samples. Pause, make eye contact, and smile slowly. Make it feel like you meant it, not creepy, warm. Think Ryan Reynolds, not Joker. Tip 2. Sticky eyes. When you're talking to someone, keep eye contact just a second longer than normal. Not too long, though. We're not trying to win a staring contest. Tip 3. Don't ask, "What do you do?" That's the quickest way to sound like a boring robot at a networking event. Instead, ask, "What are you passionate about lately?" Boom. Deeper convo unlocked. Tip 4. The premature we. Start saying we earlier in the conversation. Like, "Looks like we picked the loudest coffee shop to talk, huh?" It builds connection, and a little shared trauma helps. Tip 5. Echo technique. People love to hear themselves. Repeat their last 2 to 3 words with curiosity. Them. "I just got back from Bali." You. "Back from Bali?" Now they feel heard, and they'll tell you their life story. So the next time you're at a party, work event, or trapped in an elevator with your boss, try out these tips. Who knows? You might leave with a new friend, or at least a solid story. What's your most awkward conversation experience? Drop it in the comments. The more embarrassing, the better. Let's laugh together.